Hey guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of code and text on other devices features on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now first, if you want to use this feature, you need to first turn it on. So I'm going to tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on advanced features. In here, you want to go down and tap on code and text on other devices. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Alright, so once it is turned on, then if I receive an incoming call with my connected device, such as the Galaxy Watch right here, I can pick up or decline the call. Okay, so I can pick up or decline the call on my watch right here. So if I tap on the green button right here, I can answer the incoming call. I can end the call. Now I can also issue or make the call directly from my watch without having to touch my phone at all. So here you can see if I open up my my app on my device right here. So I'm just going to go into the app screen and open up the phone application. In here I can go through my history. I can tap on the dial button. That will start to make the call, and you can see on my phone it will immediately respond accordingly. And I can also send a text message as well. So I need to go and open up the text messaging app. In here I can, it said to use Samsung messages, you need to make it the default messaging app on your phone and watch. So I will need to use the Samsung messaging app in order for me to send a message using my watch and my phone. And so now I have set Samsung messages as the default right here, and then set as the default, and that's it. So I think I need to go to my phone and do the same. So on my phone I also need to set the Samsung messages as the default as well. Alright, so I'm going to tap on the allow button to allow it to access certain things on my device. Alright, so and then I'm going to choose set the as the default messages. Now I can go ahead and start to send a text message. So in here I can view block messages. I'm going to tap on the add button at the top right here, and then I can start to select with recipient, and I can choose from the keyboard. So I need to give it permission, and okay, so in here I need to type in the name of the recipient. Alright, so from there I've selected the recipient. So I'm just trying to see how I can, so I have selected already, so I'm just trying to work out how I can go back. Okay, so once we put in the recipient, so I'm quite new to use watch, so I'm just going to, so here I'm going to choose the contact, and then I'm going to tap on the back key. I need to tap on the back key, and then here I can choose the contact and then tap on next, and then just going to choose. In here I say I can choose one of the preset, or I suggesting replied, or I can use the keyboard to type, or I can just write cool, and then I can tap on the send button. So it's not very easy or very intuitive to use. I guess I need to learn how to use it after a while, or maybe I get used to it. But that's how you can send a text directly from your watch once you have linked up with your Galaxy S22 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.